Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to lose a key area of support at around the $6 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, meaning it's now acting as a resistance. We also tried to battle out a key area of resistance yesterday after managing to break above a key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. We continued pushing higher back to around the $6.28 mark before we started this pullback to the lower side, which has given us a break below the key area of support at around the $6 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next target areas, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we saw a 5-wave structure over here, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completed that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in what has given us the low for this wave 2. And in the formation of that second wave, we also expected to see that ABC corrective structure, having the wave C fully maximizing the target area in the formation of that wave 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And I believe we might have peaked in the formation of this wave 3 because using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $6.4436 mark. And here on the charts, we have now made our high in the formation of that wave 3 at around the $6.42 mark, meaning there are chances that the high that we made at around the $0.42 mark is the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is just the start of the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 4 before we can see another bounce to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upside, though it's still unclear what movement is playing out here on the Apecoin chart. I still believe that we are going to see lower prices in the formation of this wave 4, and in the formation of that wave 3 we also expected to see a 5-wave structure, which we saw right here, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 and sketching out a minimum target area in the formation of this wave 4 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3. And that gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that lies between the $5.2258 mark and the $4.85 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that fourth wave to the lower side to do. And because the fourth wave is a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that wave 4. And I think once this wave 4 plays out, then this will be another perfect entry into Apecoin, so that we can be able to ride this wave 5 to the upside in what will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And given that we have lost a key area of support at around the $6 mark, whatever I'm expecting next for us to continue pushing even lower is a retest of that key area of support. So in case we see a retest over here, then there are chances of continuing to push even lower once the retest is in and a success to fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 4. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term scenarios. Continue watching that key area of support, and a break above that key area of support once more will trigger even higher prices, maybe to get back to around the $6.35 mark, which is our next key area of resistance here on the Apecoin chart. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. We are trading at around the 47 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support both movements to the upper side and give us a break above the key area of resistance at around the $6 mark, and also support lower prices in the formation of that wave 4 to the lower side. And also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting the formation of that wave 4. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.